Hello friends. Welcome back to our channel and second video of the series of tariff determination process in India. In the last video, we came to know about the regulatory provisions which back the tariff determination process. In this video, we will talk about the single year and multi-year tariff framework. To give context, these two are guiding principles which state regulatory commissions follow while determining retail tariff. And this video gives information about them and which one is preferred. Hope you remember from the last video that the concept of multi-year tariff was mentioned under Section 61 of Electricity Act 2003, which aims to encourage competition, efficiency, economical use of resources, recovery of the cost of electricity in a reasonable manner, rewarding efficiency in performance, etc. There are also mentions of it in National Electricity Policy 2005 and Tariff Policy 2016, and they even provide some guiding principles for such a framework. Multi-year tariff framework is actually a multi-year trajectory for performance parameters, and determination of annual revenue requirement and tariff is undertaken on the basis of the performance parameters specified for the control period. Under this framework, there is also a provision of revisiting the tariff and parameters at a certain time period. Now we will know about the elements of the multi-year tariff framework. They are 1. Control period, which is usually 3 or 5 years. 2. Business plan, power purchase plan, and capital expenditure plan. 3. Tariff petition filed by the distribution company. 4. Mechanism for pass-through of gains and losses on account of uncontrollable factors. 5. Mechanism for sharing of gains or losses on account of controllable factors. And lastly, guidelines framed by State Electricity Regulatory Commission. Moving forward, we will see why a multi-year tariff is preferred. Multi-year tariff framework ensures that tariffs would not fluctuate beyond a certain bandwidth unless there are force majeure conditions. It ensures certainty to consumers in terms of tariff for at least 3 to 5 years. Multi-year tariff also gives signals to distribution companies to plan their business according to revenue certainty provided by the multi-year tariff process. Multi-year tariff encourages distribution companies to improve their performance in form of incentives and penalties. Such a framework also promotes efficiency and encourages competition. It reduces regulatory effort on the part of the commissions, utilities, and other stakeholders in the tariff determination process. Also, it increases predictability and consistency of regulatory approaches. Under single-year tariff process, tariff is determined for a single year at a time. This calls for regulatory proceedings for tariff determination every year and hence does not provide any certainty to consumers and distribution companies. Despite this, single-year tariff framework was utilized for following reasons. 1. With significant unmetered consumption levels being prevalent, and until alternate options of group metering and feeder metering emerges, the ascertaining of loss level was crucial. 2. With significant shortages in energy and peak power, estimation of long-term power purchase cost and estimation of cost and availability of expensive power sources with certainty at the beginning of the control period was difficult. We expect that you got a good idea about the concepts of single-year tariff and multi-year tariff processes. Comment below to share your views on this new initiative. Like and share the video. Also, subscribe to the channel to see more such videos in future.